Shout out to the goddess and the gods of this earth. Today, I want to tell you about the language itself and the depressions and the anxiety that we get to this world. We as Abantu, the god and the goddess of this earth, we never had something that is called a language. We never knew how to communicate with our mouth. We never had something that is called depression. We never had something that feel low self-esteem doubts of ourselves. Right now we are living under the curses of language. Even the language doesn't make a sense to us. Because if I can tell you about your language and you tell me about your language, you speak to me with your language, it won't make sense even today. As take a Msotho and a Pedi person. When a Pedi person said, "Ke kgathetse," Msotho will say, "I am tired." But ke kgathetse ka Sepedi, I am hungry. The language we were given by the people who were like shaped as animals, who told us that they will make us gods, that they will make us the kings, that they will make us Jehovah himself in us. They came and they distract us. They made us to talk. And then they laugh at us after that. They call us fools. After being that, they've done that process. They take a woman, lot of women of us, Abantu. They put them and then they cast them with a lot of men of us, Abantu, to sleep with each other. Because they said we have a right to do everything. But that right, it made us, as we are here, as we are today. We don't know where do we come from because of them. They told us if I can sleep with my friend's sister or with my friend, girlfriend, or who any man or anybody, I will become a god. But that distraction, it made us to step away from God again. Then they started to laugh at us again. And then Jehovah came. He saw all this mess that we have done on this earth. Eve is not the one, she's not the one who made Adam to see that we can do sex or we can do what. It's not. Because the Bible itself, it was written by a person. We never knew anything about reading. We never knew anything about understanding what you wrote down. We never knew anything about the language itself. We were the people who were communicating with the mind everywhere. When I need a fish, I will call it with the mind and slaughter it and take it back to my family. Let my wife cook it and my children let them eat. If I want a cow, I will communicate with it with my mind. I was like that and you were like that. But today we have a language that doesn't make sense. Even the English itself, it doesn't make sense. Then we had depressions. Depression, we get it again from these people who try to take our vibration out of us. Who want to make us to look small, to think that money is everything in this world. I cannot live or survive without money in this world, but you can. But when you look at yourself, not having money, you are something else. You're not full human. When you don't have a car, you're not full human. When you don't have a house, you're not full human. This is how they came and distract us. To give us the lower self vibration. Then in the Bible they wrote us, we will have diseases. God never said we will have diseases. These people, they came again, they wrote everything down in the Bible, and they made everything to come alive. And then we think that it came from God. It's the nature of God. But it's not the nature of God. It is not. Because when God came here, these people, they had mouth just like us. But now they don't have mouth. Their mouth is like a shape of a little thing. And their eyes are black round. And their hair, they are long hairs. We don't have a jaw. These people are the ones who own this planet. Are the ones who have control of this planet. When God came here, He took out their mouth. He made them shapeless because He was fighting with them. Queens and kings of this planet, we need to know who we are. Where do we come from? I believe that my videos, they will give you more power, more knowledge of understanding who you are, because you as yourself, you do not belong to this planet. This planet we borrowed. We came from a planet that is called the Cyrus, the planet that is called the Resta. But today we are here in earth because we were chased out, because we didn't behave. As much as we don't behave, we don't know who we are, because the time when we landed here on this planet, we had something that is called unforgettable memory. We forgot who we are. To find who you are, you need to search inside of your spirit, inside of yourself. Because if you start again thinking about your mind, then you're thinking about the flesh itself, because the mind is made out of your flesh. You are not a mind. You are a genetic, spiritual person walking onto this planet. You are the kings and goddess of this planet. Because your Father, who's on top, He came down and fight with all of this animal who tried to distract you. My name is simphiwe again. Thank you to the kings and goddess of this planet. May your vibration go higher, not lower again. Because we're trying to take ourselves out of this planet. We're trying to meet with our Creator. May God be with you forever and forevermore. Peace be upon you.